Many young people are engaging in risky sexual behaviors and experiences that can result in unintended health outcomes. But are they fully aware on how to protect themselves? Ann Barrett explores the issue.
Recent studies have shown that 16% of those who have contracted HIV/AIDS in 2020 were between the ages of 15 to 24. Now, this has raised questions about the level of education and awareness among young people when it comes to safe sexual preferences.
It raised red flags for the Ministry of Health and Wellness because they had not seen numbers like this before. So young people have become increasingly more of a concern over the years, but the 16% seems to be jumping out at us a little bit more.
There has been a 6% decline in STI prevention knowledge among young people. This means not enough is being done at all levels of the education system to inform youths to make critical decisions about their sexual health.
Once upon a time, we had comprehensive sexual education in schools that was pulled. We now have HFLE. A number of our students are not even aware of HFLE, and where they are aware of it and it's happening in the schools, it's hugely inadequate.
That although we do have the health and family life education curriculum that does address issues of HIV and safe sex, it's not always evenly implemented. Teachers are shying away from it. Teachers aren't comfortable talking about it, talking about sex in all of its forms and manifestations. It's much easier to just tell them don't do it.
And the pandemic has made the situation worse. The conversation shifts to how to protect against COVID-19 and not sexually transmitted infections. And the traditional platforms for raising awareness might not be enough.
People have been saying over the last couple of weeks that they don't think we are as active or as potent with our messaging as we were before, and there might be some truth to that. There is some slacking off within the broader HIV sector specific to young people, and so yes, it does need some attention.
I think we need fresh language coming from the influencers, coming from the different people that young people go to for information, the YouTubers, to let them know that this is the situation and this is how you protect yourself, and these are the options that exist for you.
Ann Barrett, TVJ News.